Hi guys, my name is Srinidhi. I am studying in ninth standard. Today I am going to show you guys how to make a space shooter game in microbit. First, we must create a sprite named as ship. Set ship on start. Now go to advanced settings and go to game. Select the first option, create sprite. The x value must be 2 and y value must be 4. Then go to game option and drag down. You can see there is an option called set score. Select it and drag it down after the first statement. Then go to option or input. The input option. In the input option, you can see in the first there is a statement called as on button a pressed. Select it. Now go to game section and choose the fourth option, that is sprite move by 1. The sprite must be the shape and the value of the shape must be -1. Now duplicate it. The button must be B and the value must be +1. Now go to input and select on button A pressed. The button must be A plus B. Now go to variables and create a new variable, that is shoot. As you can see here, the shape is moving left side, that is from the on button A pressed. -1 means it goes to the left side and +1 means it is going to the right side. So it is going right and left. When I press the button A, it goes to left. When I press button B, it goes to right. Now go to variables and choose set shoot. Now go to games and select the first option, create sprite. Now go to game and choose the option, that is sprite X. The sprite must be ship. The X value must be X and the Y value must be Y. Now go to games option and choose change X by 1. The sprite must be shoot and X must be the brightness and the value must be 80. And then go to loops and click on the statement, repeat 4 times. Now go to games and select the option sprite change X by 1. Now the sprite must be shoot and the change X must be the Y and the value must be -1. Now go to basic and drag down. Choose the option pause MS. The value must be 150. Now go to logic and choose if true then. The if true then statement must be inside of repeat 4 times statement. Now go to games and choose is sprite touching dash. Choose this statement and drag it on the true statement. The sprite must be shoot and the other sprite must be a new statement called as the enemy. Drag the enemy on the black box. Then go to game and drag down. You can see there is an option called as change score by 1. Now go to game and choose delete sprite. The sprite must be the enemy and again go to the option delete sprite. The sprite must be shoot. Then choose the delete sprite, but this time it must be out of the repeat statement and the sprite must be shoot. Now choose the option forever. This statement must be used for the fourth statement. Now go to variables and choose set enemy and go to games and choose the first option create sprite. Then go to math and choose drag down and then choose pick random 0 to 10. Place it on the x value. The pick random 0 must be only 0 only. The 2 must be 4. The first value must be 0 and the second value must be 4. Then go to game and go to the seventh option, that is sprite set x to 0. The sprite must be enemy and the x must be brightness and the brightness must be 150. Then go to basic and choose pause ms. The value must be 100 and then go to game option and choose sprite turn right by degree 45. The sprite must be enemy and the degree must be 90. Now go to loops and choose repeat 4 times. Now go to games and choose sprite move by 1. It must be inside of the repeat 4 times statement. The sprite must be enemy. Then go to basic and choose pause ms. This must be also inside the repeat 4 times statement. The value must be 500. Then go to logic and choose if true then. Then go to games and choose is sprite touching. The sprite must be the enemy. The first sprite must be the enemy and the second sprite must be the ship. Now go to game and choose game over. Now as you can see, the enemy is falling down. Now go to logic and choose if true then, but this time it must be outside of the if true then statement of the first if true then statement. Now go to game and choose is sprite touching edge. The sprite must be the enemy and the last statement must be delete sprite. The sprite must be the enemy. Now let's check the game. As you can see, the enemy is falling downwards from the start and we can move side. If I press the A plus B button, the shoot is going upward. When the spaceship or the alien ship is touching me, the it shows game over. So let me start again. Okay. So if I touch A plus B, when the enemy comes, near me, or front of me. Okay, okay, I lost it. Now let's play again. Now let's. It is a bit difficult for me to play this game. You can change the speed by changing pause ms.